Hello, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're going to talk about the Lefant M210 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a game changer for households with pets and busy schedules. Do you struggle to keep up with pet hair and dirt around your home? The Lefant M210 has you covered with its unique brushless suction port, ensuring that pet hair and dirt go into the dustbin easily, without any entanglements. This means you can enjoy a thorough cleaning without the hassle of constantly unclogging the vacuum. But that's not all. This robot vacuum offers 6 clean modes, including auto clean, spot clean, edge clean, zigzag clean, scheduled clean, and manual clean. You can easily switch among these modes via the Lefant app, allowing you to customize the cleaning experience based on your specific needs. Speaking of the app, the Lefant M210 offers smart app and voice control, allowing you to schedule cleanings and adjust the suction and direction from anywhere. Plus, with the upgraded FreeMove Technology 2.0 and long life battery, this vacuum can navigate around your home for up to 120 minutes on a single charge. And if you're worried about connectivity issues with the app, make sure to use the new app Lefant for all the advanced features and a seamless connection. So, if you're ready to take the hassle out of daily cleaning and enjoy a pet-friendly home, the Lefant M210 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is the solution you've been looking for. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing vacuum today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.